Welcome to my website. I'm Dr. Stephen Rabin. My office is here in Burbank, California, and with 20 years of experience as a board-certified OBGYN in private practice, I use the insights that I've gained in over 50,000 individual office visits to now practice gynecology only. Every day, I help my patients learn more about their health challenges and how they can start right from where they are to improve their level of health and wellness. I focus on the latest, most innovative approaches, and I love explaining things. I'm frequently invited to teach doctors and nurses across the country, and I've been featured on just about every major television network as an expert on women's health issues. As a gynecologist, I perform major and minor surgical procedures, office procedures, and I always look for the least invasive approach. There's some great alternatives to surgery, and after we find the root cause for your symptoms, we can develop a treatment plan that's as unique as you are. I see women every day for their yearly well visits. We manage infections, screenings, HPV, and abnormal paps, and we're well equipped to help out with all of the usual and some very unusual gynecological problems. Very few gynecologists offer hormone pellets, and even less can say that they've been doing it for over 20 years. For heavy or painful periods, pelvic pain, fibroids, endometriosis, pain with sex, ovarian cysts, or questions about whether or not you have any of these, I perform ultrasound exams right here in the office. And with our advanced ultrasound techniques, we can now see things with detail that you've never seen before. My approach is to first listen to you, and with a careful exam, targeted testing if necessary, I can help you understand what's going on. And that way you can make a comfortable, well-informed decision when it comes to considering your choices for treatment. And whether it's an outpatient endometrial ablation for heavy bleeding, or a no-scar tubal sterilization procedure for permanent birth control, even if we decide to do a hysterectomy or do nothing but monitor you closely, we'll decide on the best treatment together. Do you have questions? A second opinion is a reasonable way to confirm your diagnosis and your treatment plan. A second opinion can allow you to discover other possibilities, and it may help you find another perspective about your options. Second opinions are common, and don't be shy about it. A good doctor will support and understand your desire to get another opinion. We all know that second opinions can provide you with valuable information, even if it's the same information explained in a different way. And even if a different plan is recommended, that doesn't mean that one was right and one was wrong. There's different schools of thought and different ways to accomplish the same goals. For birth control, there's now 3 types of long-acting IUDs lasting 3, 5, and even 10 years. Some with hormone, and one that's completely hormone-free and over 99% effective. If you're certain that you don't ever want to become pregnant in the future, there's a phenomenal procedure called Essure. I've been performing this procedure since it was first introduced in the US over 10 years ago. It's a scar-free procedure that's done in the office or outpatient center. It's 99.8% effective, and I also perform laparoscopic surgery, including traditional tubal ligation. I look forward to helping you do everything you can to be as healthy as you can, so maybe we can avoid getting sick for a long time. And if you do develop problems, we'll work hard to get the right diagnosis by listening, careful examination, and testing. Please spend some time looking around the rest of the website. Watch the videos, read what other patients have written, and I hope you find this to be helpful and informative. And if you feel that I might be the right doctor for you, please make an appointment anytime using the scheduling button at the top of the page, or if you prefer, you can call my office during regular business hours. And don't forget to download my free ebook, 10 Things You Can Do Right Now to Feel Better. Simply tell us where to send it and you'll get it almost instantly. I'm Dr. Stephen Rabin. I appreciate you taking the time to learn a little bit about me and my commitment to helping you understand and then implement individualized plans to help restore, improve, and optimize your health.